Hey guys, I am here with the new product of Glamveda skincare, that is Glutathione brightening face wash with 24 karat gold. It contains glutathione, a powerful antioxidant for skin lightening and brightening, infused with gold dust particles for a luxurious and rejuvenating experience, gently exfoliates the skin, promoting a smoother and more refined texture. Cleanses and nourishes the skin while maintaining its natural moisture balance. So, as you all can see, my face is glowing, it's shining. Thank you so much, Glamveda, for this product. Use my code KUNIKA20 to get extra 20% off. Thank you so much, Glamveda, for your best product. Thank you. Bye.